Thank you for tuning in to watch how I upcycle this egg carton into an inexpensive wall art. Stay tuned. I began by taking one of the egg cartons and laying it flat and using a box cutter to separate the top from the bottom. Next, I trimmed away the long tab from the bottom half of the egg carton. I repeated the previous process for the remainder of the 4 egg cartons. Next, I covered the entire bottom portion of the egg carton with white glue. White glue was then used as well to cover each of the tabs from the egg carton. I allowed the first side to dry before covering the second side with the glue. I used gold spray paint to cover the bottom of the egg cartons along with the tabs. Here I have white glue that will be followed up by purple glitter. The small circular portion of the bottom of the carton was covered in white glue. The glitter was then sprinkled onto the carton, adhering to the white glue. The glittering process was repeated for the remainder of the 4 cartons. Each of the tabs were covered in white glue as well. I decided to sprinkle glitter on the entire tabs as well. Mod Podge glue was then used to cover the glittered sections as a sealant. This process was completed for the remainder of the egg cartons, along with the tabs. Once the glitter had dried, I began the process of affixing the cartons together with small pieces of cardboard and E6000 glue. finished design. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.